Hello guys, today this is Nina's classroom and we're going to do Nina's classroom experiments. Are you excited?
Excited!
So, first you have to do it very gently. We're going to put 2 jars with water. Now you have to dip both sides in the water jars. See guys, the water space is getting smaller. Now let's try activity number 2. Add some black pepper and water. Put some soap on your finger and dip the finger to see the magic. So cool! Now let's do experiment 3. Take a straw and start blowing bubbles. Now experiment 4. Put some items in water to see what can sing and what can float. Now experiment 5. Draw hearts on a spoon using temporary markers. Dip the spoon in water and see the heart shrimp. Make different colors and different shapes. Experiment number 6. Let's separate prints from rice using magnet.